Welcome to the Raging Swayzen. Let's play some Project Zomboid. Since we left our hero Julian, we have done a little bit of research on welding, and it turns out that yeah, you can't dismantle stuff anymore to gain XP. So that's okay. Um, we don't really historically build a lot out of the welding, and I don't really want to. I'm a carpenter anyway, so it makes more sense for me to build stuff with wood. Um, hmm. One thing apparently that we could still gain EXP from dismantling is car wrecks. There are a bunch of those on the bridge over by West Point. So we could go that route. That's kind of a long trip, and I'd have to fight a lot of zombies over there. The other thing that we could apparently do is dismantle and reassemble metal sheets, which I believe we did learn the skills for that yesterday. Off screen, we cleaned up our chicken coops, did a little bit of maintenance around the base. Worked out. That's why we're super tired right now. We're going to try to get our endurance, our fitness level up before we move to Louisville. We're definitely going to get aiming too. Um, we'll see what we can do as far as long blunt and short blunt. I'd like to definitely have both of those leveled up, and be working on another axe level. And we got another maintenance XP the other day. Level up carpentry. Do we want to do that to level 5? Not really. Um, we got another sneaking, another light-footed. We did get nimble level 2, which is really good. Our running is almost at level 2 or level 1. Um, and welding, we have the EXP multiplier now. Same thing for tailoring. We haven't done much of either. I'm not a big tailoring person. Let's go ahead and start. Uh, Still raining, which is good. Let's check our water containers out here. Julian had to change his clothes. He's still fancy, guys. Got fancy watch, fancy necklaces and rings. Yeah, 87. Ooh, 121. Wow. Let's hope that rain keeps going, guys, because I would really like to. He's full. Take those inside. Am I hungry? Yeah, I am hungry. Let's cook those up. Yeah, let's go ahead and make some stir fry with our eggs. Haven't read that trapping book yet. That's the next thing that we'll do there. Okay, we're just gonna make some eggs. Add some pepper. Add some butter. Add some sauce. Some salsa. And a little bit of onion powder. Yeah. That's a good egg dish right there. Got it with me? Okay. Pop that in here. Get our water all cooked up. Guess we'll read a little bit of, how's that doing? Yeah. So we'll read a little bit of this while we're doing this. Let's get them. Okay. And put this one right here. This one will be the one that we use to fill our water bottle. Like kind of, make sure to keep it separate from the others. While that's cooking, anything we want to do? Let's go get our backpack. Is this the 2-liter bottle? Yep. Our backpack, our fanny packs, that stuff's all over here on the ground. Cigarettes go on front. This one goes on back. Okay. Way to take all that stuff off while we were working out. I'd like to take those upstairs. Do I have time? Let's do it. I'm in there. Run. Run back downstairs. Don't let your eggs go bad. It's on timing. Okay. So we're doing fine here. Now that's cooked up. Take it out. Take it out. Turn it off. Okay. Here we go. Let's get these things kind of butted up. There we go. Hey, no, no, no. Could be a zombie waiting right out there. What are you doing? Okay. Get that duffel bag. We still need to organize stuff a little bit more at the base. Okay. Got some magazines in there that I've already read. It's my hatchet. Very sharp. What about this hatchet? Need some sharpening? We got the whetstone right here. What's wrong? Sharpen. Alright. You know what? Fine. Sharp enough. Wait. Did I just put this? Did I put my duffel bag that I keep? Okay. I guess I put my duffel bag that I keep in there. I don't really know what I'm doing with this walkie-talkie. We'll put that right here on this table. I don't think I really need to be carrying that weight. Take these magazines, go in here, and very nice. Very nice. Now let's eat the food. Weight's going down, so we're gonna eat all of it. Oh no. Look at that nightstick. I need a new nightstick, guys. Got a couple more in the bag. We don't want that thing breaking on us when we're trying to... Should I move this trash can inside? I think I'm going to. Yeah, and that's typically the one I use, so that's what we'll do. Pick this one up. And we'll put it here. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And let's see. What can we do about... Get some candy we can eat. Candy, candy. Ooh, cereal. More cereal to be put up here. Can of oats. Okay, we're just going to move you a little bit so you look more aesthetically pleasing. Nope. Okay. Not exciting TV, guys, but had to be done. Okay. We got candy here. I really would like some candy. Okay, choco cakes, mac and cheese, chocolate bar, Roy's peanut butter pucks. Okay, I'm gonna take those. Once we're not too full to eat again, we'll eat those. We got extra cigarettes at the gas station, so now we have a full pack there, and in here we have stored another full pack and our cigar. Okay, should be good to eat that candy bar now. Excellent. Weight managed. Okay. So let's go out here. We'll grab the stuff that we need for our welding. It would actually be fitting to go to the basement to do this, but, or the shed or something, but just in the interest of time. Okay. So this is one of the things we can do to work on our welding. Metalworking. Okay. Cut 4 small sheets. Can't craft. Recipe not learned. What? Ugh. Alright. Well, I thought we'd learned that. Do I not have the book necessary to learn that here? Could have sworn that I had it. Make metal helmet. Okay. Everyday smithing. Okay. Okay. Well, apparently we learned lots of... Do I have some food? Got some beef jerky on me. That's all I got. Bring some extra food. Because it looks like, guys, we're going to drive all the way... Oh! Can't leave without my nightstick. Looks like we're going to drive all the way out to the bridge. Goodness gracious. These things are growing up like weeds. This is terrible. Come on. Move the bushes. Use my hatchet. Not too bad. Well, I'd have preferred... I only need welding 1 to repair my car. As you can see, the car really does need repair. I'd have preferred to have been able to do that. Okay. Okay, hang on a second here. We're going this way, right? Well, I guess we'd better. We haven't traversed this road yet anyway. There's bushes and stuff in the way over there. I don't want to deal with that. Be good to light up this section of our map anyway. There we go. I think this leads us over to... Gosh. A gas station area? Yeah. Close the loop to the gas station. That's where I was earlier. And this area is pretty clear. Oh, no, there's a couple. Won't stop here. Keep going. Did a pretty good job of clearing out this area earlier when we snuck into the gas station, but see, that's my handiwork. If I could get to all those cars, there's a truck right there. I can take that hood. And someday I will come over here and clear out this area. I'm going to be working on some of those combat skills anyway. But for now, just trying to get to my destination. Oh man, there's another convenience store. I'd really like to get in there. Another gas station. Really like to get into those places. They probably have cigarettes. We have time on the way back. We'll probably mess with that a little bit, but okay. Weight was going down, so nice. Okay, okay. Wow. This area looks completely clear. That is unbelievably lucky. I'd really like to stop like where I can see the door. It's a big preference. It's much safer. The stuff you need. How are we doing? Refill the welding torch. Right. Dismantle the car wreck. Here we go. The area appears to be safe, but we're not going to speed up time because we haven't really checked. We don't want to push it. Okay. Get me anything. I'm definitely gonna take this stuff. Now that we know we really need to be oh, working with these items to improve our metalworking, we're gonna make sure to take some back with us. Yep, get that steel block in there. Okay. And where's that welding torch? What I'm hearing. Refill it. Okay, good. Now, totally safe still. Let's check. Did we get any welding experience for that? We did. Okay, good. There's enough car wrecks here. We're going to be able to do it. And I still haven't seen any sign of zombie activity. I think we're safe to speed up. Okay, that was good. Oh, there's a couple. Oh, there are some over there. They don't see me. I'm still safe. We're going to go. Okay. Okay. Doing fine. Doing fine. No problem. Definitely need those steel sheets. We'll 100% take those every time. The rest of this stuff, maybe. Okay, now that I've seen them down there, I'm gonna go kill them. But first, transfer all. And once we've done this, we'll go down there and we'll take them out. Okay, drop. Come back and get that. We're definitely gonna put the steel sheets in here. And then I think we're gonna, oh, we're a little uncomfortable. Okay. And then I think we've pushed it long enough, knowing that these baddies are down here by the river. So we're gonna take them out so that we can go on about our business of leveling up our welding unmolested. Oh, my short blunt is so good now. Like, oh my goodness. Wow. Oh, it's so good. You're gonna wear that, buddy. I think that is literally the first leather coat that we have found that was not messed up in some way. It's actually just a huge, huge boon for us. What are we doing over here? Weight's still going up. Good. Okay. Refill our welding torches. We have 3 empty welding torches. We definitely have enough in the propane tank here to fill them all. If my math is correct, these 3 will be enough. 3 more car wrecks will be enough to get us to welding 1, which is what we need. And since we are now tired, we're not going to be able to do anything else over here. We're going to have to leave. Might as well clear one side of the bridge. Oh gosh. Would have been better to clear the other side. Well. Oh well. Let's see. Welding. Yep, 3 more will do it. 1, 2, and 3. Boom. We are ready to fix some cars, folks. Let's see, what do we got here? Some scrap metal, aluminum fragments, iron scraps, nuts and bolts, scrap metal. Jeez, it's just really tough to tell like what we should bring. Um, and we've got, I think, all this stuff. We got steel, metal scrap. Let's take a few of those. Got those. We do know that we want screws and nuts and bolts. Steel scrap, do we have any steel scrap? Yeah, we do. Let's take those. Steel block. It's 2 encumbrance. Copper scrap. Steel sheet. Iron pipe. And let's see, what do we got here? Another steel sheet. Steel bar half. Copper scrap. Red scrap. I really just feel like we got probably enough stuff. We know the sheets are the most important, because we actually know what to do with those right now. The rest of the stuff, it's like, well, maybe, not sure. We're gonna put all this stuff in the car, and we'll take it to the shed later. We'll set up like a metalworking area out in the garage in the shed. So we just like have so much to work with here now. Steel bar half. Okay, that's good. Have it. Put it in the bag. And let's go. And on the way back, is our weight going down yet? No. But we are going to eat our beef jerky on the way back. If we weren't tired, we do have enough time to stop and mess with those convenience stores, but it's not worth it to put ourselves at risk when we know we're tired. When we've already accomplished the goals of the day. We knew what we were coming here to do, and we already got it done. So, let's just get on home. Oh, there's a good van. I mean, the thing about this area with the mall is I don't even really want to go in the mall. What's in the mall other than like a fancy outfit I could get? I mean, that'd be nice. I don't even want to go there. But what I do want is unmolested access to those cars. At the same time, while that may be a car mecca, there were cars over by the school. There's probably cars elsewhere with less zombie interference. It would be a much smarter play. We, okay, so we skipped a bit. The drive home was a long one, but all that really happened was we hit some rabbits, further damaging our car, but in the process, got a lot more rabbits, which is nice. Um, we didn't want to do that, but I mean, the juice was worth the squeeze. There's 6 rabbits here. Since I had some daylight left today, we're definitely going to repair the car tonight before we go to bed. But since I had a little bit of daylight left, the one thing that I did want to make sure I did was get that extra propane because we used a lot of propane. Okay. Apparently the propane is difficult to find. During my research about the welding, I found that, and as evidenced by the fact that when we pulled that propane out of that grill over there, there was almost none left in that can, in the tank. We had a full propane tank, which we've now used up a considerable amount of. Oh, why am I hurting? Oh, yeah, because of the exercise I did earlier. Okay, here we go. To the shed, to the metalworking shed. Make it so we can put all this stuff right in these crates. That goes on the floor. And all the metalworking stuff goes in this crate, straight out of the trunk. Got a ton of it. All fit in there. Huge. Got a metalworking shed set up now. Do we have, let's see. Let's take both of those propane tanks. They're both almost empty. Together we have almost a full one, so can you pour into? Nope. Okay. So we're just going to refill all of our torches. That one's now empty. And wow. So we really did need that one from the neighbors. Put this out here. And we got propane tank. And one of these definitely goes in here too. Um, the other ones we'll keep in the car. You do want to keep that stuff in the car. Is the other one in here? Oh my goodness, are you serious? That one's still empty? Alright, well, let's refill it. Look at that. Pan's nearly completely empty. So it took almost a full tank of propane to get that done. Serious. Oh, but we don't want to completely put them away because we do need one welding torch, a welder's mask, and one steel sheet. Good news is we got a bunch of good welding stuff out here. We do need to find some more propane now. And just gonna quickly look around. We have been snuck up on in this area before. Let's repair the car. 8%. Well, lucky for you, I'm totally prepared. Okay. Now we're looking good again. That is excellent. That one in here. There should be one welding torch in here. Always keep it on us just in case we need it. I mean, we might find a car we need to dismantle. And where's our welding mask? Keep it in here too. Okay, now we're good to go. That was big time. Car's fixed back up. She's looking beaut. That was a big day. I will fix these bush issues. And I'm so tired. It's actually giving me the option to sleep on the ground right now. So I should go to bed. What's that hatchet doing? Not bad. Still perfectly fine. Before I go to bed, I am going to check on my crops. Well watered. Well watered. Well watered. Well watered. Well watered. Watered. No apparent issues there. One bush to remove. And we're good to go. I do have a pen over here for some animals. Let's check on our chickens. Oh, man, our muscle strain is so bad from the burpees earlier. Info. How you doing, guys? Well fed. Not thirsty. Hen. Hen. Everybody's doing good. Leghorn hen. Okay, so I am going to need to find some male. Uh, yep. I'm going to need to find some male chickens if I want to open the egg hatch. I'll take these eggs. Okay. Don't know why I would keep the egg hatch door open or closed, but it was closed earlier, and then I came out here and found. I need to keep their area clean. We should. Just remove the bushes. Still good. Bar, nightstick, everything's doing good. How's my container? 92. 126. I think I could actually wash all my clothes now. Put this food away, and then I'm going to bed. Are there any rabbits in here? No. Put that, that, and that in the freezer. The rabbit leather, I don't know what I'm going to do with yet. And then there are some eggs, some rabbits, and some deer. I think we're good there. Okay. Let's see. Keep rabbit leather in there. This looks nicer that way. All right, now I'm definitely ready for bed. Should I go to bed hungry? Is it gonna hurt me here? I don't think so. Okay. Whew. All right. Welding 1 in the books. Repaired the car. Tomorrow we get some good sleep tonight, because tomorrow we're going back out. Get ourselves into some trouble. See you then.